Okay, a really quick video on the Dow Jones. This morning here we've got 2.5 hours till the market opens, and I just wanted to point out a few things here. This is obviously a weekly chart, so for some years you obviously know it's been very bullish markets. We've been in this channel. It's been very good. Halfway through last year, looks like we had some of this consolidation here, and it did break down a little bit. But when it got down to the 200-day moving average, of course we expected it to bounce, and it bounced very nice. But we also didn't go any higher, and so we were left with lower highs. And now we've come down to test this 200-day moving average once again with a little more authority, and it bounced and held up there. And looks like yesterday we had a nice day. I was absent from the markets yesterday, but we had a nice day yesterday, which was expected from this area. You're going to get that bounce. Generally speaking, it's not going to just flush right down through there. Not on such a large area of support like this. Anyways, right now your RSI is sitting at 42, so it's still decent right now. Your MACD histogram is negative, of course, but could be worse. So technically everything is kind of hanging on a thread right now. Looks like the markets are a little bit negative. We're going to have a negative open this morning if it stays where it's at now, which is going to run the test of this area right here at this major support. Two things, I guess. There's always a bull case and a bear case, and the bull case is if we continue to hold up in this area, it's going to run up from here. What we would need to do is we would need to challenge this area again, and then get some support off there, and then continue to make new highs. That's a possible scenario that could unfold. The second scenario that I think is probably a little more likely is that we might test these areas here and then break down. If we do break down, be prepared. You can see I've got a mark in here that I'm going to use this 200-day, and actually I'm just going to put it a little bit lower. No specific number here. I'm just kind of looking at this last candle, this last wick through here, and midway through this one, which puts us a little bit lower. I just want to use that as a stop, or to make sure that I have my my long positions hedged properly if we do go down from here. So, and if we don't go, well then obviously we'll continue to go up and make gains. The one thing that I want to point out here is that this is an election year, and if you look in history, the election years tend to be negative. I went back and did some research on Google, and I might make a video on that here later once I compile the information, but that is what has unfolded in the past. So this could be a scenario. You can see where the two trend lines connect here. There's a lot of different scenarios that I've been looking at. One is just completely breaking down, which could happen, or maybe we move up to this area again, which would still be a lower low, and where these two trend lines intersect, and then have the collapse later into the election time. So just keep in mind of these areas here. Like I said, they're just general areas of support and resistance, but they do mean a lot. So pick and choose wisely. Make sure you protect yourself, and remember to hedge to avoid the ledge, as they say. And I wish you all good luck, and we'll see what happens this morning.